Yeah, they haven't scored much today. They've been
No.
getting beaten up good.
Other guys are skating backwards.
Yeah, yeah. Nice save. Oh, oh! He sure knows how to use that stick. Oh, go get it, Braden. Come on, buddy. Get in there and give him some help. Oh, trip. Again, all right. Bernier's keeping him in the game tonight. Okay, buddy, get on it. Oh. All right, Braden, get in there now. See, he's got a good little spurt there to get going, eh?
Yes, he's got a quick jump.
He's got that little Cornwall start.
Good job, Ellie. Good job. Good hustle, Al.
Get down there, Braden. You get him. Holding his stick. All right. Oh, I missed it. Oh.